So guys, let's create a new project. Select a background or base layer, it's totally up to you. Give the layer proper length or duration. Go to PIP. Import the sample video as overlay. Place it where you like. Copy the layer. Select the bottom layer. Look for replace. Material. Select the border or frame color you want. Go to crop. Make sure to have same aspect ratio as the sample video. Our sample video is vertical, so 9:16. Select the original video clip. Let's set it to 9:16 too. For safety purpose, go to mask, rectangle. Now just adjust the mask to control the border or frame. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.